Alright guys, welcome back to another recap. Finishing up over $1,000 on the day. I traded for the first hour of the stock market. I traded pretty good today, so I'm going to go over all my trades, exactly where I got in, where I got out, show you guys the actual trades, and then of course the actual P&L imported into my trader view. So sitting at $1,000, 1,044 but 72 cents today. I'm gonna try to make this recap pretty fast, pretty quick. I got a headache, had a headache all morning, traded with a headache, so not very fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this recap out of the way, and then enjoy the rest of my day, or go take a nap or something. If you guys are new to my recaps, if you guys like this recap, if you guys get some knowledge or learn something, hit the thumbs up for me. Leave some comments down below on anything you guys want to see or change or anything like that, just in general. Appreciate you guys tuning in here, and for those of you guys that tune in to my live streams as well, I stream every single morning completely free, 15 minutes before market opens, right here on YouTube and on Tradecaster.com, all free. So you guys tune in. Over 100 and I think I had 110 people this morning, so you guys come in and hang out on the chat. Now, Tesla was my main stock today. I almost shorted AMV. I located some shorts on AMV. Here's the AMV chart. Didn't end up hitting the short. I located them somewhere around here. And I was about to click the short button somewhere up here, and then this candle dropped down 30 cents, and at that point I was like, I cannot chase this. Obviously I didn't see this happening, so I thought this would pull back to this level here and then kind of make its way back up. So I was looking for a higher lower high up here. Didn't get it, so I located shares, didn't even click the short at all. So that was a little unfortunate. As far as Tesla though, so Tesla kind of let me see, let me show you guys my trades here so you guys can see my actual executions. I know you guys see pretty clean trading. This was just a scalp I took just now. Pretty clean trading overall. I was done within 40 minutes of trading, and I made $1,000. So I'll take that any day. I did have some good trades, and I did have some bad trades. You can see my freaking eye is twitching right now because of my migraine. So it looks like I took a long at the market open, took a long here. It looked strong. I was looking for high day push, so took a long here on this pullback. Kind of tried and popping, and then I ended up stopping out. So pretty break-even trade there. I don't even know if I ended up making money on that one or not. I'd have to go back and look. Looks like I got in 313, 213, 213. So it looks like maybe I made a little bit of money on that one. And then as soon as this thing flushed through VWAP and it was not holding this 211.57, that was a key level today. So these are kind of levels that I drew afterwards, but this 211.57 was one level that I was watching. If we held this, which is why we pushed out of it, I was going long. If we ended up flushing out of this level, I was going to go short. And that is why on this move down through VWAP, this looked weak, so on this pop back up, I started shorting and I got this very move down. Now, one thing I did really good today, which is the reason that I traded good, is that I was patient with my exits. So I'm coming from small caps, and I've been trading Tesla for 2 months now. Small caps, you get it moving in your direction, you got to start taking profit, right? But when I'm trading Tesla, I've realized that I take profit and then this thing continues for another dollar, dollar and a half, $2 moves. So today I came in with that mentality of, hey, let me take a little bit off, but very, very tiny amount. So when this thing pulled down, I had 400 shares in here, and I only took out 50 shares. And then pulled down a little bit more, a little bit more. At this one, I was looking for that 210 break, so I was trying to get that 210 break. And so you can see I started selling 210, right under 210, 78, 77, a little early fill there. But I held to a lot of those shares, so 400 shares here from almost 212 all the way down to 2.8. So that's about a $4 a share win, 3.5 with 400 shares. So that trade right there put me up $1,000 on the day. Now I was looking for the pullback again, so this thing flagged. It flagged a little bit longer than I wanted it to, and that's why here is where I ended up getting chopped around. So it kind of popped up, tried some shorts, stopped out, and then tried to short again, stopped out, tried to short again, stopped out. Was kind of looking at that 211.57. I knew that should have been my risk, but this thing making, let me go ahead and take these off so you guys can see exactly what I was looking at. This thing was rejecting here, rejecting here, rejecting here, and it just kept making higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. So it was getting pinned against this 11.57 level. And at that point, I thought, man, this is about to rip through this here, and it's about to go to high day. So I was like, I do not want to be on the wrong side of this. So I ended up just getting a few paper cuts here and there, and ended up not shorting at the top here. I mean, this candle closed strong. I fully got out, didn't enter here, and then when this thing gave out, it finally made that move, and then just pushed down again. Almost the same trade, 211.50s down to now 206. So that's a $4 or $5 share move there that I was not in at all. You can see I think I took a short here and covered right away. I didn't kind of trust it there, but man, that was a clean move that I missed. So I didn't really get I traded the first one perfect, and then this one I just went without me. And then at that point, I think I still tried shorting it a couple times. So short, stopped out, short stopped out, short again here at under that 210 level short. Same thing here. I think that was also another short. So small winners, but probably like literally like $50 each, 100 shares, 200, stopping out real quick. And at that point, I was up 1,000. My head was hurting, migraine coming in, my eyes twitching. $1,000 on the day, decent day. So I decided to call it. Didn't trade anymore. Walked away, got some food, and then I saw this thing climbing back up to high day. I thought we could at least spike the high day, so I took a 100 share size on this pullback here. Got the high day. I think I made like 30, $40 on that one, and then sold off right away. I almost took the short here, and I was like, you know what? This has just moved up so much. Got stuff. I should take a short, but I didn't. Would have been nice though. But anyways, that's it for the recap today, guys. Like I said, streaming live every single morning. So far this year has been crazy. So if you guys see my P&L, not my P&L, my stats, like I've had 2 red days in almost 2 months entirely. So that is great. So hopefully I can keep this up. And some of these numbers are a little bit better than what I was putting last year. Last year, $5, $6, $700. This year, kind of 1,000, 1.1, 1.4. A couple of days like that, 900s. Yeah, I do got my small green days here and there, but it looks like my average has been a little bit higher. Anyways, thank you guys for watching these recaps. I know I make them quick and easy, but that's how I watch everybody else's recaps. The quicker it is and the more straight to the point, I like it because then I'm not sitting there and I get the info that I need. So hopefully you guys learn from my trades here, what I was looking at, the levels that I was watching, and all that stuff. So you guys hit the like button, leave some comments down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the live trading session. You guys have a good rest of your day.